afternoon or evening. So we're all starting the week off. Happy Monday, by the way. Well, happy Monday for as good as it can be. So anyway, we're here with the red F-150. Some people had commented on how they liked videos of it, so it's been sitting for a while, and today I'm going to give it a bath. Get some of the crud off of it, make it look new again. That's funny. Okay, well anyway, all jokes aside, we'll make it a lot cleaner anyway. So hang with me and we're going to give it a bath and see how it looks afterwards. Always do the tires first. Well, it's all clean now. A little scrubbing. Does it some good. Haven't drove it so much this summer. It's harder on gas and I've had to flex. It's a little easier, so I kind of give it a break for a little bit. The exhaust has about had it. That's the next project. First, tires for the blue truck, and then I'm probably going to work on exhaust for this and probably some tires afterward. Kind of see how it goes, take it day by day. Alright, well anyway, it's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm going to wrap this up. Anyway, hope you all have a good week. Thanks for watching.